Adjustable strap. If it doesn't fit your seat, move the slider buckle towards the click buckle. An adjustable chair strap built into this lumbar cushion makes installation a simple, one-step process. Don't worry about the cushion quickly slipping out of place. Even over the roughest of terrain, this strap can keep the cushion at the exact angle and height needed. The strap is a universal fit, with the ability to adjust the length as needed, no matter where you need to sit with a lumbar support cushion. Supportive. Our lumbar support pillow could help alleviate the discomfort associated with lower back soreness, injury, chronic condition, or simply add a little more support for those who sit for long periods at work or drive hours long distances. Its ergonomic design, high-grade memory foam, and firm support are all designed to gently hold you in the correct position, alleviating pressure and stress on this sensitive area of the body. High-grade memory foam, firm yet comfortable. The pillow's supportive memory foam holds your lower back in the right posture. Unlike other traditional pillows or cushions that slip and fall out of place or with insides that move around, the memory foam stays put, cradling both sides of your spine without feeling rock hard. The memory foam is ideal for all-day use, whether driving in the car, sitting at your desk, traveling on a plane, or simply hanging out at home. Ergonomic design. SAMSONITE's lumbar support back pillow follows the curve of your body, for a comfortable hold that fits and feels natural. The ergonomic design gently guides your body into a position which helps to reduce strain on your lower back. The pillow's ability to improve your posture also encourages circulation, which helps to further relieve pressure or pain experienced in your lower back. It's well padded with memory foam, too, for comfortable day-long use. Measures 13.5 inches by 14 inches by 4.5. Versatile installation. This back pillow goes wherever you need extra lumbar support. It can be installed quickly with the easy-to-use and adjustable one-clip belt. Simply wrap the straps around the back of whatever seat you're in and click the strap closed. Disassembly is just as easy. SAMSONITE's lumbar support back pillow is lightweight, too, ideal for easy transport. Bring it with you to work, take it with you while traveling in a plane or a rental car, or move it around at home. Top reviews from the United States. Firm and most supportive. Firstly, this is a quality-made pillow support for one's lumbar region. While soft, the foam cushion is most supportive. When I first installed it on the driver's seat of my car, I placed it a few inches above the seat cushion. I was not at all happy with it in this position. So I decided to lower it so that it rested on the seat cushion while still using the very handy straps to keep it in place. I am so very glad I did. Whereas before I moved it was somewhat painful annoying in that as was positioned in the middle of my back. Once I moved it down to rest on the seat cushion, it was much more comfortable and fully supported the sciatica region of my back where my pain was emanating from. The support provided after lowering the position of the cushion resulted in pain relief as well as significantly increased comfort. Very highly recommended, especially for the most reasonable price.